88 species in genus Rubia. Rubia, a deep dive into matter. My name is Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the interconnectedness of the natural world. One of the plant genera that truly captures my attention is Rubia, more commonly known as madder. This genus, belonging to the Rubiaceae family, the same family as coffee, boasts a rich history intertwined with human civilization, and I'm eager to share some of its secrets with you. A colorful history. Rubia species are renowned for their vibrant red roots, which have been utilized for centuries as a source of dye. This natural pigment, known as rose madder, has been employed to color textiles and even paint masterpieces. Imagine the artisans of old, carefully extracting the dye from the madder roots, their hands stained crimson as they transformed ordinary fabrics into works of art. This historical significance alone makes Rubia a captivating subject for study. Botanical characteristics. Rubia plants are typically perennial, scrambling, or climbing herbs and subshrubs. They are characterized by their whorled leaves, meaning the leaves radiate from a single point on the stem, like spokes on a wheel. These leaves often have tiny prickles, allowing the plant to cling and climb as it grows. The flowers are generally small and star-shaped, ranging in color from yellow to white. However, it's the roots that truly distinguish this genus. Thick and fleshy, they contain the valuable pigments that have made Rubia so sought after throughout history. A diverse genus. The Rubia genus is surprisingly diverse, encompassing around 80 species distributed throughout the Old World. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Beyond the dye. While Rubia is primarily known for its dye, it also has a history of use in traditional medicine. Various Rubia species have been employed to treat a range of ailments, including kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and even cancer. Modern research is exploring the potential medicinal properties of Rubia, investigating its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer activities. This ongoing research highlights the potential of Rubia to contribute to modern medicine. Conservation concerns. Despite its historical importance and potential benefits, some Rubia species are facing threats due to habitat loss and overexploitation. It's crucial to recognize the importance of conserving these valuable plants. By protecting their natural habitats and promoting sustainable harvesting practices, we can ensure that future generations can continue to benefit from the wonders of Rubia. A personal connection. My interest in Rubia stems from a deep appreciation for the intricate relationship between humans and plants. This genus exemplifies how humans have utilized plants for both practical and artistic purposes throughout history. Exploring the botany, history, and cultural significance of Rubia allows me to connect with the past while also looking towards the future. I believe that by understanding and appreciating the natural world, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. As I continue to learn more about Rubia, I am constantly amazed by its versatility and resilience. This genus serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of the plant kingdom, and I am eager to continue exploring its secrets.